Hi everyone, I'm June and I'm the chef of Yellowfin Horse Restaurant in Kuala Lumpur. Today I'll be showing everyone how to make a dish called Kerabu Tang Hoon. This is the stock. So I have all the ingredients here prepared for the stock, which is grated palm sugar, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, and the tamarind. And while that's bringing to a boil, handle the prawns here. Separate the heads from the tails like that. Once it comes to a boil, put everything in. Once 2 minutes is up, turn off the heat and put them into ice cold water. And we're just going to strain this into a larger pot, bring this to a boil. Prawns are really nice and chilled. We're just going to halve the prawns and removing the veins in one step. So now this is boiling. Put in the noodles for 3 minutes. Strain the glass noodles and then put this into an ice bath. So we have roughly 500 grams of stock left over. And what we're going to do is reduce it by half. We can make the dressing from lime juice, fish sauce, some salt, and some palm sugar. This is almost reduced by half. Mix it with the dressing. Make sure it's cooled down, not hot. And we have this ice cold noodles here. Squeeze out the excess water. Work the dressing into the glass noodles. You can just add all the ingredients in. Prawns, torched ginger flower, kaffir lime leaf, bird's eye chili, red chillies, red shallots, carrots, fried dried shrimps, and the mint. Toss everything together, plate this up. There you have it, my version of Kerabu glass noodles. I hope you enjoy.